Hello guys, and welcome back again. Okay, so we have finished with 20 notes, and we are going to begin with number 21. So number 21 is the beautiful one, actually. So this rule is, you know that sometimes when you want to read a word, when you want to make transcription, for example, for any word, you may watch, for example, K-U. These two letters almost are coming together. So I have K, Q, and U. These two letters, when I want to make transcription, or when I want to pronounce these two letters, I'm going to write it or pronounce it on this way. So it will be in the pronunciation and in phonetic and phonology, I mean in transcription, I'm going to make it on this way. So for example, I have word quiet. It will be written in transcription on this way, quiet. Okay, so quiet. Okay, so number 22. Number 22 is also beautiful, as I said. So I have two letters, O and R. These two letters are coming in the middle of the word. In pronunciation, I'll make it on this way. For example, I have, for example, short. Short. It will be written on this way. Okay, so this is number 22. I have also another one which is very common. Sometimes in the pronunciation I have the letter A, and this letter comes in the middle of the word, and the same word ends in the letter E. It will be pronounced on, as I said, that this is A and it ends with E. For example, name. This letter is going to written in transcription as this, A. For example, name, late, many words. Okay. For example, I have name. You see? So, name. So pay attention that, you see, this is E. Don't forget. If I delete the letter E, it will not be pronounced in this way. So this is E, very important in this note. So number 24. Number 24, also very common. I have this group of letters, which is T-I-O-N. This group of letters, when I want to pronounce them, when I want to make transcription for these words, I'm going to make it on this way. So pay attention. These letters are going to be pronounced on this way, shin. So in the pronunciation, I will make it on this, excuse me. Shin, just only shin. For example, section, many words, as we said. Section. Sometimes in many words, as we said, for example, we have section. Okay, so this word is important. Excuse me, this rule is important. So the last one, which is not common, not very common. We have the 2 or the 3 letters before the morpheme full. This in transcription, it will be written just only f and l sound, because the letter U is not pronounced in pronunciation. For example, we have useful. We have many words that ends with full. So whenever you have full, don't write U in pronunciation. I think these rules are ending with this video. If you have any question or any comment, you can add it right now.